Looking to boost your PC's speed and reliability? The G.Skill 32GB DDR4-3200 memory kit delivers exactly that with 4 8GB modules designed for high performance and gaming. Whether you're powering through intense simulations or diving into your favorite games, this RAM kit promises smooth, stable operation at a solid 3200 MHz frequency. What makes this kit stand out? First, it's a quad-channel setup, which means your system gets a wider data path for faster multitasking and improved responsiveness. The modules run at a CAS latency of 18 with timings of 16181838 at 135 volts, striking a balance between speed and power efficiency. Plus, it supports XMP2.0 profiles, so you can easily overclock to the rated speeds if your motherboard and CPU allow. For peace of mind, G.Skill provides a QVL list and a RAM configurator to ensure compatibility with your system. From real users in the United States, the feedback is clear. This memory kit is both reliable and visually appealing. One gamer praised the neon lighting as a perfect match for themed builds, while a professional running design and simulation software appreciated the stability when expanding to 64 GB on a Threadripper setup. No glitches, no crashes, just consistent performance that keeps up with demanding tasks. If you're serious about upgrading your rig, this G.Skill memory kit offers what you get: a dependable, high-speed solution that supports your creative and gaming ambitions without compromise. Its sleek design adds a touch of style, while its robust specs ensure your system runs at its best. Worth a look if you want to future-proof your PC with memory that delivers both speed and stability. Ready to experience the difference? Try the G.Skill 32GB DDR4-3200 kit when you're ready to take your setup to the next level. With proven user satisfaction and solid technical specs, it's a smart investment for anyone who demands more from their computer's memory.